Hi and welcome to Ron's Garage. This movie I've done over a couple of weeks. I've been sick and it's been Christmas and so on. And today finally this movie is available. I started looking at my Beetle heads and realized that one of them is broken. So I have bought two old heads and now I will clean them with an ultrasonic cleaner. So let's see how that works out. This is not very scientific, but I have put some, I don't know what that is in English, lacknafta. Yeah, whatever, but I guess it's almost the same as thinner, if that's what it's called. But yeah, I'll let them be there for tonight and see if there is anything left tomorrow. If there's nothing left, then they are leaking a lot. Yeah, and I cannot compare them to each other, I guess. So, trying that for now. So, one day later. And yeah, it doesn't look that good actually. There's one of them keeping tight. But yeah, let's clean them and seat those valves and see what's happening. Yeah, now we know at least. And yeah, I was thinking that now I'm actually well, so I can start working with my fun stuff. But this package has actually been here for 1 week now. It's a new ultrasonic cleaner, and the reason it's been standing here for a week is that I have been sick again. I'm still not well, but today I will try to open this package and see if I can clean some heads. So I bought the big one, 30 liter, I think it is. And it's gonna be enough for my heads, and that's good. I got this basket, and there is a small basket, the one you usually use for tea, I guess. Yeah, since I don't want to be in the garage today, I have set this up in my laundry room. So let's bring in the head and fill it with some water. As I don't know exactly how this thing works, I will start by cleaning my old head. As you see, I marked it. It's kaput. So I'll clean this just to test and see what's happening. So first we put the head in the basket. And yeah, obviously you should shut this valve before you start filling water. But yeah, filling it up. So yeah, it was almost at the top there. I just added some dishwashing soap. Not sure if that one gonna help much, but yeah, it's covered. let's see if we can turn it on. Okay, and the water I added is 42 degrees, it seems like. It's set on 50 degrees, so I think we'll start with that. Yeah, let's turn that on. Now it should be heating it up to 50 degrees. And then we have 30 minutes. And yeah, that's basically it. Let's start it. Oh yeah. So the temperature is 50 degrees and the 30 minutes has gone. You could hear the sound in the microphone. And let's see. Let's lift this lid. Down there it is. I'll lift it up and rinse it off and see if it worked. So we can see that parts of it has been really good clean, but the greasy parts has not been cleaned very good. So I think I need to have something more potent than dishing soap. But here you can see it's really looking good. So yeah, we need some degreaser, I would say. I do not find anything that's fit for purpose, so I'll use some car shampoo. And I will also try to increase. It's sounding too much. I will increase that to 70 degrees. And then I'll run it 30 minutes again. Yeah, so I have increased it to 70 degrees and I need to start it. Yes, and I'll let it heat up first. Then I'll start the ultrasound. So it took some time, but now it's up to 70. So let's start the ultrasonic cleaning. So it's gone 30 minutes with the ultrasound, and yeah, it's gone a bit more now. And here it is. Let's see if we can the fat and oil is still there, I guess, but it works in some way. Yeah, actually, we can paint it off. Look at that, very clean. Yeah, I'll try to rinse it off and see what I can do more. So yeah, it's loosened a lot, but I definitely need more degreasing to be able to handle this. And yeah, something has been loosed because it's very dirty water. So yeah, I actually realized I probably have degreaser in my shed somewhere, so I'll have a look and see if I can find that. But this will probably be something for tomorrow. But the test seems to be okay. I will look more thorough on the aluminium and see that it's not taking any tolls on the integrity of it. So yeah. So I found this degreaser. I think it's kind of heavy duty, and I have run this head once again. Let's bring it up. No, it's still dirty around there, but I think it looks better. So I'll have a more thorough look at this, and then I'll go get my real heads, because this is just a test. So it's still quite dirty there, but here it looks really good, I would say. Yeah, and there it's dirty. And yeah, let's try the real ones. So this one is dirty and it's ingrown, or what it's called here. So I'll put some degreaser directly here on this, and then I'll put it in the bath. And it's still 70 degrees there. As I put in a cold piece of aluminium there, it lowered the temperature. So I'll let it come back to 70 before I start it. It's not entirely 70, but let's start it there. I'll start it off camera so you don't have to hear it. So it's done. And on the other head I had this spring for the lid of the head. I don't have that now, so I'm not sure how I will pick this up. Let's see if I can figure it out. So it's pretty clean in some pieces, so I was thinking it didn't clean it here entirely. I also have that spot. I'll see if I can rinse it off. So it's pretty clear, but I'll run it one more time. And I just had a discussion with my cousin, and he concluded that I used the wrong degreaser. So I'll put some of this into the now black water, and I'll try once again, and then I'll change to the next head. Okay, so still a bit crap there, some there, but yeah, it looks better. Let's take the next one. Okay, so we compare the left one with the right one. So yeah, I would say it worked. So yeah, let's do the next one. So I have put some degreaser here, and now I will put it in the bath. It's 70 degrees. So let's see. So this is done, and yeah, the water is really black now. Let's try to bring it out. It actually worked quite good to lift that basket. And yeah, it's cleaner, but still not clean, I would say. So I'll use the brush, and then I'll put it back and restart it. I turned it around a bit, and let's see if it's cleaning better at the bottom or at the top. So let's try that. Okay, so that part is pretty clean. I can say that the water is not very clean. And I need to clean some clean up here also. But yeah, that's everything for today. I will disassemble these heads and probably clean them again and make sure the valves are seated and so on. But that's something for another day. Please like and subscribe if you are interested in seeing me trying to get this Beetle engine to work again. Thank you. Bye.